friends, it's Miss Rachel again, the Photographer at the Library. Today's craft is for the Zoom Story Room activity for October 15th, and we are going to make a little creation from Creepy Monster, Sleepy Monster. So I'm going to start. We'll need the black quarter sheet of paper. We'll need a brown 8 sheet of paper. We'll need about a half a sheet with rounded edges of purple, a paper plate, 2 mini cupcake liners. Then you'll also need scissors, glue, and colors. So I'm going to start by tracing my hand, just kind of the top part of my hand, on this black paper. You can use a pencil if you want so that you can see it a little better, but I'm just going to use my marker today. Brilliant. I'm going to go ahead and cut that out. My scissors. Straight, I'm going to go kind of wiggly. Awesome. Next, I'm going to take my hand shape that I cut out and glue it on to one of the halves of the paper plate. I'm just kind of trying to decide where I want to put it. I think I'm going to put it down here, this bottom half. There we go. And we're going to use this piece of brown paper to create like a crown. So I'm going to tear some zigzags at the top. Like this. And I'll tear a little bit off the bottom too, just for fun. To the other half of the paper plate. Now we're going to attach the paper plates together like this, in this sort of shape, with the purple behind it, like this. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up just a little bit more and glue this part on first, and glue my other half. Excellent. Oops. You don't want to move them around too much right after you glue them because they can become unstuck. Next, we're going to take our cupcake liners and flatten them out a little bit. And these are going to be the eyeballs. So we're going to put those side by side on the purple paper. Like that. And smush them down. And now all that's left is the coloring and the decorating. So I'm going to start with my black marker, and make a little monster nose, and make a little monster mouth, then make the middle of an eye, little black circle, color that in with whatever color you want. You can do green eyes, you can do brown eyes, blue eyes, lots and lots of options. And then we're going to add some of the veins in the eyes to add a little extra spooky effect. Awesome. And finally, we can color our paper plate. You can color that however you like. I'm going to follow Miss Lisa's example and do some big bold lines like a pumpkin. And then I'm going to color in the different color and go a little bit lighter and more delicate with the lines there. But like I said, you can use whatever colors you like. You can color it however you think would look cool to you. You can even add a little bit of extra color. I'm going to put some more brown on this top part, just for funsies. And there we go. We have the Creepy Kooky Monster Craft that was lots of fun to put together, and we